Hello, hi. Um, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the battery on a Rolland XP-50, and also I have error message stating that memory damage. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. If you can see memory damage, this is the error message you are receiving. Um, when you have you might have to change a battery. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace the battery first, okay, and then let's see what happened. Right now I don't have a sound. See, it doesn't work. All right, so first thing, let me turn off. I'm gonna unplug the wire too, just in case. Okay, so what I did, so you're gonna unscrew all the screws. Okay, so I already have done that. So now you're gonna remove this case. Pardon me if you cannot see properly. Just let's see if I can something to hold. Okay, here it is. It is the battery. So you have new battery. CR 2032. Click that. Now you're gonna put it back the case. Okay. Right, just a moment. I'm gonna use the phone again. I'm gonna hold the phone right here. Okay, so I replaced the battery now. Let's plug in. Press the utility, and I don't know, you guys cannot see number 4 right here, sound. You can press from here, and then you're gonna select number 5 preset. So you're gonna hit number 5, and then enter. Since look at it, press enter, and internal right protect on off. So you're gonna turn into off. Okay, and then enter and enter again. Complete. It's cost. Let me turn on my speaker. Sorry. Samsung. You guys can hear now. All right, thank you for watching.